First, open a web browser of your choice. Even if you normally use the Discord app, we'll start in the browser. Search for Discord and go to discord.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Below the login form, you'll see an option to register. Click that. Now, fill in the details. Enter your email address. Choose a display name. Pick a username. Create a password. Enter your date of birth. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click Continue. That's it. You've just created your new Discord account. You'll now be logged in through the browser, but let's add this account to the Discord app for easy switching. Open the Discord app, then click on your profile in the bottom left. Choose Switch Accounts, then select Add an Account. Sign in with your new details, and now you can quickly switch between accounts anytime by going to Switch Accounts again. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.